Good morning, Tradeify Nation, and welcome to another London session stream. I know I'm laggy. Don't tell me to chat. I know I'm laggy. Okay, that's fine. As long as you can hear me well, that's the most important thing. I hope you're all crushing it, and I hope you had a nice weekend. Markets are absolutely going crazy. Yeah, and I think this week is going to be absolutely nuts. You know what? I'm going to stop sharing my screen right now because I lag like shit. Yeah, I'm gonna reconnect everybody. I'll let Celine take over. Celine, go for it.
Chat, do you believe it? I'm not the one with the tech issues today. I was like, just before we jumped on, Nick was doing these weird glitches, and I'm telling you, that guy is a real AI around here. And I wish I had it on film, but damn, that would have been good proof. Anyway, I hope you guys have had an amazing weekend. I'm back, obviously, in Bali, in my usual setup. Lighting is back. Hopefully the bruise is now covered, so you guys don't have to ask me every 5 minutes about that. But glad to be back home in Bali. Sun is shining. It's Monday. We've already had some crazy things happen at the Open, which we're going to get into. I guess we'll get straight into it, though, because we are just a minute away from London Session Open. So, Roman, we can switch to my charts, and we will do a quick breakdown. So, well, firstly, let me just say good morning, actually, while I have you all here. Good morning, Easy Games. Good morning, Alamin. Good morning, Jimmy. Good morning, Furniture Bam. Good morning, Heinz Steak. Good morning, Emma, Joshua. I think I miss a few of you. Good morning, Paul. Good morning, JD, Coffee Trader. Hey, everyone is in here. Good morning, Lucifer. Oh, and Nick mentioned Tradeify Lockout feature is here, by the way. Yes, that is a big W for the day as well, because for all of us who struggle with those mental challenges to actually, when you're trading and you're taking losses and you struggle to manually take yourself out of manually stop trading for the day, now Tradeify has that feature where you can actually just shut your accounts down, automatically lock yourself out. So let's just get into these markets. I don't know if we're going to get AI Nick back in here, but let's get started anyway. So what we have so far on NQ is we did have a huge gap down to begin the week, so that's always fun. I do expect us to retrace back into new week opening gap at some point today. For now, we had daily open at 24,435.25, and as you can see, we had dropped down significantly and swept out February's low, which was sitting at 24,239.75. So 24, Nick's in the chat, is a low pathetic attempt to turn the narrative. You are the AI. We all know it. No, I'm going to run with this, Nick, now. Sorry, you did it to yourself, buddy. Anyway, chat. So yes, February low being swept out means that I am actually looking more to the upside now that we have swept out Feb's low. Targets to the upside on the daily is still this high, this swing high sitting at 25,494.75, and the swing high before that on the daily also looks very nice as an overall target, by the way. This doesn't mean we're going to get up there today, but these are just levels that I'm looking at to the upside to eventually for price to smash. So this is the other key level, 25. That height is 25,250. So also a key level there. Now looking at what's happened on the hourly, we did invert this bearish gap, although we have this massive gap up above, which I think we're going to climb into slowly as well. So bullish, feeling very bullish for the day, for the week to start with anyway. Potentially, though, we have swept out previous 4-hour high, and if we do get up into Asia high as well, I would potentially like to see a bit of a retracement back into this leg that we've created since the overnight session. So I would potentially take a short if it was to appear like this day. If we were to come up, sweep into Asia high, retrace back into this range, and then I expect us to continue high into that new week opening gap overall. You can see we did have a huge drop in Asia, which was 326 points. So we've pretty much almost made up all of that range now, which is wild. So potentially we could just see a choppy London session now that we have just already shot up 300 points, or we could continue the expansion. They're not sure. We will see what we get, and we will only react to price. We're not going to predict anything, and definitely not when we have such crazy geopolitical tensions right now. And yeah, there's just too much happening that I'd just rather just sit and wait and let price come to us. But yes, what are you guys thinking? What does everyone feel like is going to happen today? And is anyone in oil? I want to know if any of you were like, smart enough to get in those oil longs. I think we got Nick back. There he is, AI Nick.
I think so too. We good, chat. We good. She calling me AI. Trying
Roman,
to
Roman,
turn
we might
the
have to
narrative here,
change that name tag. I don't think Nick M's in the chat anymore. Anyway.
It's a cute attempt, but you failed already.
You did it to yourself, buddy. You did it to yourself.
AI calling me buddy wasn't on my 2026 bingo card, but I guess here we are. Here we are. How are we doing, chat? Can we see some ones, please? One, if you're ready for this week, CPI week, favorite week of the month, every month.
Yes.
Why? I don't know. I would never trade CPI, but let's get those ones in the chat. And also, what did I want to say? I don't even remember. Whatever.
Hey, like count goal, actually. Let's get into the like count goal before.
I count goal. 1,000.
Ooh.
No, I'm kidding. Let's make it, I don't know. You decide. Whatever.
420.
420? Okay, chat. If we hit 420, we're going to give away a lightning funded account. I don't tell you which one yet.
Sheesh.
But it's going to be lightning funded. So
I like it. So what do you see, Nick? Because I just went through and I said to these guys, I'm probably
I see that the markets are crazy.
Yeah. That's pretty much sums it up.
Right. Now here's the thing though. Like if I look at this chart and I scale my candles like they're usually scaled, the crazy part, which is something like this, the crazy part is these are 20-point increments and they're super close to each other, right? So absolutely insane right now. If we look at the volume, this first 5-minute candle had 2,800 in volume. And keep in mind, an average London candle has like 600 to 800. Opening candles sometimes go up to 1,000. This has 2,700, so 2.7x of like usually the max what we see during the 5-minute opening candle. That means the markets are very volatile and you want to be very careful, especially when it comes to your size, right? Did you break down gold already?
Oh, my bad. No, we didn't. I didn't even touch on gold.
All right, chat. I need to update AI. My bad. Sorry. But let's look at gold on the daily. Gold is currently stuck a bit. If we look at this, obviously, like with all the war news, etc., like I would have thought gold would pump way more, which it didn't, unfortunately. But we're stuck in this range where currently we did try to sweep the low here. We are trying to make our way back up. If we look at this on the 15-minute, we swept previous day low, established our Asia low at 5,021.4, and now are holding VWAP, which is usually a sign that we're going to go higher. But we'll see. I'm currently not interested because we're literally in the middle of this range. And as long as we're in the middle, like whatever, I do not give a fuck about it. I know it. I know Leia loves oil. So Leia, how many millions have you made?
Yes, let us know, Leia. Bummed that I'm not in those oil longs with you, Leia.
Yeah. Suri Luki, New York Open 2:30 p.m. today, right? Yes, correct. Until March 29th, the New York Open for us Europeans will be at 2:30 p.m. instead of 3:30 p.m. So like an hour earlier than usual because the US has switched to daylight savings yesterday. And we won't until the 29th of March. So keep that in mind.
Andreas says, I have a question. I saw Claudia on the stream last week, but I was on and off that day. Is she regular for London stream or was just a one-time appearance? Yeah, she was on. If you guys missed it, we had Claudia on stream on Friday. You guys can go back and watch that episode. She will potentially be joining us at another point in time. But yeah, she's on Instagram if you want to go follow her. She trades gold and she left some good golden gems on the Friday stream. So go back and watch it if you guys missed it.
Mm-hmm. Easy games. Nick, did you change something because of the summertime change? Like what? What would I change?
Oh yeah, I saw that question. I think he's asking like if we change something on our charts. But for me, this is set to
Mine is set to EST all the time anyways.
Yeah, me too.
So now instead of, you can see it here on my charts, instead of the usual 3 a.m. London Open, it's now at 4 a.m. London Open Eastern time. But that's just going to be until March 29th, I said. Yep. Momo, London is still the same, right? Yes. That's why we started it at the same time. Because London is going to change, or like Europe in general is going to change on the 29th of March. Yeah. You said before you think we're bullish, but you're still gonna be taking shorts, right, Celine?
Yes, just the usual day in my analysis. Feel bullish but taking shorts. No, because we got the new week opening gap, so I definitely see us heading there in the today at some point. We are already heading there, but if I can get some sort of clean retracement at the moment, since pretty much that's 9 p.m. Eastern. We've had that bullish run, so I expect us to retrace at some point into this leg, even this hourly leg. But yeah, we don't have to. It could be just a continuation expansion day, and the reversals might not be on. But I'll just wait and see. I will wait.
Let's find out.
I haven't taken anything yet. Waiting for how to. I do want to see how we react to Asia High first to see if I do like the reversals today or not.
The Asia High. We'll find out. 24,315.75. We actually top ticked it at 3:25 a.m. Eastern. That Asia High. And now London almost tapped into it. Let's see.
Crocker says it should take a week for you guys to be contacted after you win something on Tradeify TV. So make sure you give us at least a week to get back to you on that.
Also, Potato Nick gave that task now to Brennan, and Brennan is new to it, so maybe it takes a little bit longer. Let's see.
I forgot to ask, how was Sushi Fridays?
Sushi Fridays was fire. The sushi was so good. I was so hungry. It was great. And I'm looking forward to McDonald's Wednesday.
Yeah, that's going to be so fire. So ready.
24,280 on NQ, 6645 on ES. This is chopping for now.
I can't believe the actual size of these. If I was in a sell right now, the way I place my stops, it'd be 60 points. That's a lot for a London session. Crazy.
That's what I'm saying.
I think I'm definitely trading micros today, though. For sure. It's scary.
Well, Zampic says, is mukbang trading the new meta? Of course, dude.
Of course. Tradeify is always inventing. And we just invented trading and mukbang.
Also, Celine, I realize now why the chat saw the black guy last week and not now. It's also because you're set up at home, your camera is on your right side. So.
Oh, yeah. That's so true.
So if you look at the screen, there's no chance to see it.
That is true. Unless I do this. But even then, I think the lighting still I don't know, lightens it up a bit. What? Chat, Addy, I just read a comment. That's funny.
That's why.
Oh, chat. Yes, Joseph brings a good point. Why is Celine not telling us her casino experience? Yes. So, guys, whoever was there on Friday, I asked you guys for your tips because I was heading to the casino that night, and you all agreed. And Nick told me it's always black. And you know what? I did it. I listened to you guys, and as you saw, all my chips were on black on that one hand, and I won. And I was up, and then I lost it all. So yes, the theory checks out. I know. And the thing is, I didn't even lose it on roulette. Okay, that's the sad part. I lost it on the slots. So it's not even a good way.
Never play slots. Never play
Literally,
slots.
Wait, on the other hand, I saw a guy win 300 and something thousand Singaporean dollars, which is like a crazy shit ton of money. So I was like, and he was
Wait,
just
how
playing
much?
slots.
380?
336,000 or something.
How much is that in USD?
It's stronger than US dollar, I'm pretty sure. It's
That's 262 USD. No, it's not.
yeah, that's 200. Well, 262,000 on the slots, and he wasn't even like, he was so chill. He was like, yeah, cool. But that made me, I was sort of like, how much money has this guy lost if he's not even like, he didn't.
The question is he profitable?
Yeah, that's the thing. Like, I would have been screaming, and he was like, just so chill. Slots is a total scam. Yeah, well, when you see someone win, I was like, oh, let's just give it a go. And then it ate all of my money up. Stupid slots.
How it goes.
Anyway. But
that is how it goes.
Black did win. So if anyone wants gambling advice, not that this is financial advice, but just put it on black.
Black always wins. That's your first bet.
Stupid.
Thank you. It's just chopping now.
Yep. Doesn't look too good right now. Wouldn't want to be in any position at the moment. 15-minute looks ugly.
About a 60-point range right now, the London session.
And gold as well, just doing nothing. Sideways.
Chief or Geo is asking, was it Black 22?
What the hell? I feel like it was. I swear it was Black 22. What the fuck? Is there a theory behind that? Wait. What the fuck?
Wait, let's see. I'm actually Googling it right now.
I swear it was Black 22. What does that mean, G for Geo? Oh, that's my... he just said that's my lucky number. I swear it was Black 22.
Are you sure?
I like 99%. It was.
99, yeah.
It's my B-Day number.
Hey, Inicio, good morning. How are we doing? Weekend was great.
Good morning.
How was yours?
I also saw the sickest magic show, Nick. Also,
You did?
Yeah, it was sick. Like
I was like the Now You See Me show, no?
Yeah, like it was based on. It was the same production company as the movies, but obviously like not the actors. They were like actual magicians. Yeah. One of them, the girl was like ended up. She was 22, very young to be like such a class. Like she was such a good magician. Anyway, as like I was checking out of the hotel, like she was in our hotel, and I got to meet her. She was staying at our hotel, which was crazy.
Oh, nice.
I was like, "How did you do it? Tell me how you did it." And she was like, "I can't tell you." Damn it.
I saw David Copperfield once in Vegas. That was pretty cool.
That's so sick.
That was fire. I love magic.
I do too. Like, especially I've never seen like stage magic like that. That was that was.
Whenever I'm in any like city whenever I travel, I look up if there are some magic shows because I fucking love it.
Yeah, it's my new favorite thing. I never would have thought like because I'm the opposite. I'm always looking for like theater shows and like musicals and stuff. But this beats that for me. Like I could have sat there for hours. It was 2.5 hours, and I swear it felt like 5 minutes. It was just like you're on the edge of your seat the entire time. But highly recommend if anyone. I think they might be doing Vegas next. They just did Australia. I think they might be heading to Vegas. But yeah, they were really good.
Nice. By the way, chat, as I put it in the chat before, Tradeify now has the lockout feature. So in the top right here, you can click manual lockout, and then you can lock yourself out for a certain amount of time. They have end of trading day, 50 minutes, 30 minutes, an hour, or custom. Although I'm not sure what time zone custom is based on. So you can put in a time, but I don't know what time zone it is. I'm assuming CST because end of trading day, 4 p.m. CST is in CST as well, right? So I'm assuming, but I don't know. So I don't really dare to use the custom feature yet Because if I lock myself out until a certain time, but then it's in a different time zone than what I'm thinking, it's gonna fuck me over. But we'll see.
Yeah, that is confusing.
Yeah, Ozempic says no excuses now, chat. For real.
Yeah, for real.
TGHX Singh. Guys, are you also bringing Trade C to Tradeify? Yes, sir. Very soon, actually. Very, very soon.
Still want to see us how we react to Asia High at the moment.
I just want to see something.
Yeah, I know. No, I was just like drawing up a short, but no, I'm gonna wait. Is anyone in anything, chat? Like, have you guys actually, maybe some of you have already like taken profit in this? Because it is like, we are moving here. Although it doesn't look like it, there are significant like points that are being, like, what the hell? From this high to this low right now is a 78 drop and a 78 point drop. So
Yusuf in the chat says, Nick, were you talking German the whole weekend? Your accent today is stronger than usual. What?
What?
I always talk German on the weekends.
No, I think you sound a bit like you're sick today. Are you? Like a bit blocked?
I'm a little bit. I have a little cold, but
yeah, I think it's
nothing major.
You don't get sick.
I literally never get sick.
You're biohacking.
I get colds. I get colds every now and then, but like I'm literally never sick. The last time I was really sick was COVID in 2020, 6 years ago.
And you probably didn't even get it that bad.
No.
Very good. That's why you don't drink alcohol, kids. Don't drink coffee.
Well,
go to the gym.
It's literally like movement and healthy food, and I'm gone. Do you still hear me? I'm gone.
Yeah. No, I hear you.
The camera's gone. No.
Is that you, God?
I don't know. Is it? Hello.
Hello. God,
hello. I don't know.
We lost in chat. AI Nick is out of here. Drinking coffee as we speak. Cheese balls. Me too. Although mine's like a weekend like coffee. I'm trying to really stop the caffeine for me. It's like we just shouldn't rely on. Oh, and he's gone. We lost him. Wow, it feels so strange to be on the other side of this. Usually it's Nick dealing with my internet issues. Now I know how it feels, chat. Houston, we lost him. Yep. Houston, we lost him. And we have a problem now. Now you're stuck with the AI Celine. Yeah. Kyaning says he gets viruses and malware. Yeah, that's what we're experiencing right now. The AI has a virus. That's why he's sick. You know. All right, Mario off to bed. Had a good Asia session. Take care. Amazing. Well done for already having a great session and being able to get an early night for once. Good luck in New York, Mario. There was a clean buy that I could have taken down in Asia, but I wasn't in that buy. Now I'm potentially waiting for a pullback here, but we'll see what we get. Oh, he's back. Hello. Judas Joe says, Celine, did you watch Papa ICT's market review? Firstly, Papa ICT, referring to him as that is crazy.
Papa ICT is nuts.
But no, I haven't actually. I, to be honest, haven't watched a lot of his recent stuff. I don't know if a lot of it now to me like is a bunch of noise. I think like I don't feel that I need to like learn much in the way of like theory and stuff. I feel like studying the 2022 mentorship was good enough for me, but yeah, I guess there is like always more to learn, but for me it's just his videos now are just more like noise. I don't know.
Look at that push now.
Yeah, I'm just watching
yes just took out Asia High. Are we going for that gap fill, chat? Are we going for that gap fill?
Should we just long it? Or what do we think?
I mean, Weekly open is certainly attractive for price right now.
Mm-hmm.
I might just go into one micro.
Oh, he's gonna do it, chat. Oh, Market Maker Mario probably gonna skip NY. Okay, have a good sleep then. You must have done well in Asia for you to be taking a session off. That's not like you.
Can we push? Can we pump? Let's see.
Oh yes, he said he had a very good Asia session.
Nice.
Well, that makes sense. Enjoy your well-deserved sleep in. Have a good rest.
Good morning, Idris.
Good morning. Good morning, Idris. Paul Prophet says, anyone use Edgeful? I don't.
What is that?
Edgeful is that tool. I mean, I haven't properly looked into it myself, but isn't it like a backtesting software, or you can like look into data-driven trading?
Okay.
Something about technical analysis made simple. The only tool you need to become consistent. We instantly give you an edge so you can focus on. Yeah, I don't know. It's some trading software out there that helps you with, I think, your analysis. I'm not sure.
Data tools, says Wyan. Data tools.
Data. By the way, in the YouTube video that Tradeify put up, did you hear me hit the data? Like,
yeah, I know, Roman. I see it, Roman. Don't worry.
We're losing
I'm
chat.
pissed off. Don't worry.
Now you know how I feel, Nick. Oh, we do have someone that uses Beyond Sports Magic. Said Edgeful is pretty cool. Maybe is it something worth looking into, chat? If you think, I'm always up for new trading tools. All right, I'm gonna look at ES here just in case this SMT gives us something we can work with for a quick short. I'm not entering anything. I'm just gonna have ES up just in case. M2 Equanimity says, shit, blew my last funded. See you all in 2 weeks, maybe. Greed and nothing. Greed and needing the extra money equals forcing trades and not waiting for A+. Oh, I hate reading that. Like, I feel that personally on a personal level because I know what that feels like. But you know what? Sometimes what I say is like, you need to feel the burn in order to not make that stupid mistake again. Whether you were like, well, you said yourself you weren't waiting for A+ setup, so it was a patience issue. All right, so you know what you did wrong, and just make sure you're not doing that again, because remember this feeling, being so close to a payout and then blowing it is just, there's nothing worse. And to be fair, like, oh, he's back. He's back.
Let's see. Let's find out.
There he is.
So far, so good. Maybe I jinxed it. Let's see.
Wayan says it's cool. Like, this is Edgeful. He says, for example, if you trade orb, you can see how many times it breaks above when this happens and the percentage it happens. That would be kind of cool.
Edgeful. So now I gotta look it up.
Now I mean, for me, I love Daughter.
Daughter?
I might have to look into it.
I'll look at it after the stream.
Mm-hmm. Devansh, good morning. He doesn't say good morning. I love how you don't say good morning to Nick. He's like, good morning, silly.
Wow.
Feel the burn.
I was the one who said I'm going to give you guys a lightning funded account if we hit 420 likes, and you don't even say good morning. Wow.
Oops.
I don't know anymore.
Oh, we're gonna get a trading today? I don't know.
Oh, Lucas chat, smart money erfahre. Ist French. And I'm fucking frozen again. Damn it.
What is it? Damn it, Nick. It's the cats. Are they like sitting on the router?
No, the weird thing is, it like my camera. You can hear me, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, the weird
Wait,
thing
Chat,
is
can you hear him?
the weird thing is that my camera is just blacked out. It's something with the camera connection, I think, honestly. I'm
Like-
trying to figure it out.
A loose cord or something. Is it? I don't know.
Yeah, maybe actually.
You're the camera guy.
Yeah.
Oh well, Chat, you have Nick's voice and me today. That's all you're getting. Momo says, Nick, can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Nick, Momo says Nick Koff Mall versus internet. That means anything.
Celine?
Nope.
It means Nick buy better internet. What he doesn't understand is that I have the maxed out internet connection, and it's not the internet connection. Our producer Roman is trying to tell me as well that it's the internet connection, but it's not. I know because I had this issue before.
Yeah, because I can hear you clean.
Yeah, no, my internet is fucking fire. My internet literally never has problems.
Haha, now they're all saying AI having problems. Yes, my plan has worked.
It's so funny.
The plan has worked, Chat.
I'm gonna switch to my FaceTime camera. Let's see if that works. I'm gonna look like shit. Hello.
Yeah, he's back.
See, but that's my
smooth.
point, Roman. That also proves the point. See how freaking smooth this all is because it's not because of the internet. It's not an internet issue at all. It's something with the camera, and I got to figure out what the frick it is.
That camera looks fine.
No, it looks like shit, but it's okay. It's okay. I'm gonna try reconnect with my other camera. Let's see. Okay, now it doesn't even show up anymore.
Justin says Nick sounds like he's in the bathroom. What? That's funny. What does that sound like?
Echoey. Is it echoey? Oh, because I was
behind,
back in the room, and then I'm screaming.
Peter says buy a better camera. Peter, I'm sure Nick probably has the top of the market camera there. He is
the thing
camera
is,
guy.
I could connect something really sick. Wait, give me a second.
Oh, here we go. Don't tell a camera guy to have a better camera because now he's probably gonna pull out some freaking.
Brother telling me to have a better camera, and I got this right here.
What the hell? You have to stream with that today. What the hell is that?
It's a cinema camera. If I would connect this would look like so sick. But it would also be annoying as fuck to set it up, actually.
Yeah.
So I just won't, you know.
Shoot a whole like movie out there in Switzerland with that.
Yep. We could. We did in the past. We did. The visionary says, "Dude, that's a red." Yes, it is.
What's a red cam? Does that mean something?
Those are like cinema cameras. Lots and lots of movies are shot on red. I think The Hobbit was shot on red.
That's so sick.
Way too many movies are shot on red.
So what? Does it collect dust now, or are you still filming stuff?
It is collecting dust. Like the last time I actually turned this on was probably 4 years ago.
Damn it. Why was that not brought to Mexico? You could have shot a movie out there.
You should use that as a webcam. I imagine. I could.
Holy camera flex. No, I didn't know how many of you were like camera nerds in the chat. I had no idea what a red camera was.
Lots of them are, apparently. The visionary says that's a 20K camera right there, depending on the model. Yeah, the thing is, like when I bought it, with all the accessories and everything, I paid 40K for it. Swiss francs, that is. So
Are you serious?
That's like 55K USD.
That's
but
insane.
I had a video production company. Like it's not like I bought this for fun.
That is insane, though. How does a camera? Like honestly, how is it that much better? Like the quality of the camera, like.
Yeah, I mean, it's like
lens.
You don't like if you don't
like you can buy a car for like
videos,
like
you don't make movies, you do not understand like what goes on like behind the scenes in post-production, like when it comes to like color grading and all that stuff. And the camera like this a camera like this gives you way more flexibility and
Okay.
options in post-production. So yeah. Oh, Chicken is in the chat. Everybody say good morning, Chicken, or Good morning, Chicken. Inizia, what do I think about Hasselblad cameras? I mean, for photography, absolutely amazing. However, only really needed if you do like big prints. If you don't have any like huge prints, it's pointless. It's the same as with the red, honestly. Like I would have never needed the red. I just wanted it.
Chicken, did Nick ever let you handle the 40K camera? I'm curious.
I would never.
Oh, what happened?
Started like ass. Leave me alone. What happened? What happened?
Chicken?
Did somebody pick your corn?
Kirill trades. I'll just answer this. She says, Celine, your indicator prints a lot of IFG. How do you know which one to take? Yes, that's the discretion. So it will, like right now in the 1 minute, it's tracking the most recent developing FVG. But I mean, I don't have to take that if it inverts. That's more up to my discretion. So right now we just tagged Asia High. Well, the Asia High was tracking anyway. I'm not sure where Nick's Asia High is. That's the... Well, actually...
Now it's that new high that we just made.
Well, that's the 7 p.m. high. So, oh, you're saying... Sorry, yeah. That...
Yeah, 327.75.
Okay, well... That's a weird thing because that just swept my Asia High. So anyway, I potentially could short if I get this inversion, but I'm watching closely.
Oh, there's a very important question in the chat from Sen. Sen's asking, I have a GP at 24.334. Is it valid, Nick? No, and here's why. You are taking this high here. That is actually not a real high. That is just the opening gap, right? So if you look at this technically and you forget about this opening gap and you look at the charts like this, then it's like, oh yeah, this is a great GP. However, that is not the real swing high. So nope, I would never take that. Yeah, you get a good cam. The FX30 is nice.
I mean, it's not 40,000.
Better cam than I have actually for my streaming.
Really?
Yeah. Unless I would stream with this.
What are you using like normally? I think your camera looks fine.
I'm literally using a Sony A6400. It's like super cheap camera. It's like $1,000 or something.
No way, as if I have a better camera than you.
My Lego Pokemon was more expensive.
Oh, were you playing Pokemon on the weekend?
Of course.
Yeah.
I'll show you something.
Of course.
I'll show you something. 1 second.
Of course, he's got it. Here's something I prepared earlier.
Wait. Look what I got. Look what we got. Oh. Yes, I did play because I now got a level 50 Charizard.
Oh, it's literally like the old game. No way.
It's level 50 already. I played a little bit, I would say.
Just a little bit.
Just a tiny bit.
Insane.
Yep.
I was at the Singapore airport is huge, right? Like there's so many. It's pretty much like a whole shopping mall, and there was a sick Pokemon store that we went into. I didn't end up buying anything because I had no luggage, but there was so much cool stuff there.
Fire.
Like actually like stuff that's like come from Japan that you can only get in Asia, which was cool. But
that's sick.
there was no cards though. I was actually I would have bought like new cards or something, but they didn't really have much. There's a whole bunch of like stuffed teddies.
Ahmed says, I blew 2 to 3 accounts and my problem is patience, so help. What do you need help with exactly? When do you realize that you're impatient, and how does that lead to you blowing accounts? Kia says, my level 50 is a little bit, I'm still at 30. Yeah, man, gotta catch up.
Yeah, I gotta get the game.
It's so cool. Like, look, it's actually like the old.
No, yeah, it looks exactly the same.
Like if you walk around, look, that's how it looks.
Oh yeah. From the bird's eye, that's so sick.
So sick. It is very sick. Still has the same Easter eggs, everything.
That's sick. Nani Skaber said, "Hey y'all, do you do this every Sunday?" Actually, Sunday is one of the days we don't stream. Just Monday to Friday on Tradeify.
Well, maybe for him it's Sunday if he's in the US. Kind of like it's already
Oh.
Monday, but he thinks it's Sunday because it's his night. I don't know.
All right.
I don't know.
Yeah, Marv, Singapore airport is crazy. It's like a whole world in there. Like, it really reminded me of like Avatar, being in like an Avatar movie. I don't know. It's freaking cool.
Singapore airport is crazy, yeah.
It's so sick.
Yes, he says it's 4 a.m. here. Damn. 4 a.m. is wild.
I love that you guys are up at 4 a.m. watching us. That's so sick. We appreciate you.
Oh wait, I completely missed Chicken's comment. He said I entered at 280 for a long. 20 minutes later, I saw that I entered with 4 MNQ instead of 1, so I closed it at minus 200, and now it's tripping.
Oh.
Well.
Oh, chicken.
It happens to chickens.
Oh.
Momo. Momo, das 9 ist vor 39 Minuten gesehen. What the fuck? Ist ein bisschen spät. Timo says, how did you guys get to work at Tradeify? Okay, I'm assuming you're asking how did we get to work at Tradeify? But we
Just being cool.
Just are cool, yeah. So I'm cool and Selena's AI.
Whatever. Says the guy who like glitching on screen today.
It's the camera. It's the camera, and I got proof because. See,
Roman, were you recording at all before the stream? I need to go back and get that footage. Damn it. Roman, like, nope. Celine got dust in her eye. Yeah, literally, I was just going through hell just then. Always manage to get something in my eye, like on the daily. I don't know how.
I fucking hate that. That's the worst.
It's the worst.
Leah says, I disappeared for a while, but what is this I see? 480 viewers and 176 likes? Yeah, Leah, tell them. Chat. We're going to give you guys a lightning funded account. A lightning funded if we hit 420 likes. But if we don't get those likes, you get absolutely nothing.
Nothing. It was so cool having Claudia on and actually hearing like the Irish accent, so I could like practice a little bit on Friday.
That was cool.
That was funny.
Rosie.
Juan, I've seen this comment so many times. Celine, you look like you could cover prequel to Talisa Stark life in Volantis for Game of Thrones. Yes, I've heard it. You guys think I look like Rob Stark's wife or something?
Bert, yeah, I'm Swiss.
Bist du Schweizer?
Ich bin ein Schweizer, natürlich. Gottfriedli, hey, hört man das nicht, oder was?
Yes. So whatever
Yes.
that. Yes. Easy games, do you consider? No, I'm not considering taking a short. Nope. Only because I was waiting for the inversion of the 1 minute FVG to happen before 440, pretty much, because now we're only a few minutes away from a new 15-minute candle open, and I expect that new 15 to basically shoot up, create the top wick, and then distribute down. So I wouldn't want to be stopped out in that. That's why I'm going to wait for the new 15. But the current 15-minute actually looks like this is going to be a nice distribution to the downside. If you guys can see, there's no wick right now, so it should flip bearish in a minute. Just curious how much that drop has been. Okay. Wow, that's 50 points. That's actually crazy. It doesn't look like a lot. This PA is trash, Luke says. Yeah, it is. I mean, there's definitely like volume happening, but just
By the
not
way,
clean.
Aline, I'm gonna let you take over for like 2-3 minutes. I'm gonna try to fix this camera issue one last time because I can't stand this FaceTime camera.
Okay.
So give me a
All
sec.
right,
Take
All
me
right,
off
go,
really
go.
quick, Roman.
The camera guy is getting rage baited by his own camera. Can't stand it. Kwang says people going to get wrecked this week. Why? I mean, I think there is going to be a lot of volatility this week, but doesn't mean we all have to get wrecked in that, right? We just choose the direction, up or down. It'll be good. All right, let me try get this smart money. Ready? Est-ce qu'il y a des Français où je suis le seul? I think you're saying, are you in France? I am le seul. I don't know what that is. Sorry, smart money friends. I can't translate the full thing. So bad. I actually learned French for like 8 years straight in school. And I barely remember anything. Loving Nature, Selena, how's life? Life is good, Loving Nature guy. Thanks for asking. Life is good. I just got back from an awesome trip in Singapore. Back in Bali now. Moving to Europe soon. So life is good. Life is good. Oh yeah, PDPG Keeper says, just don't stay in a position long this week. Fair enough. I mean, unless you're on the right side, then you'd probably want to stay in that position long. But yeah, it could be a little choppy this week in the price action. So just beware of all the wicks, all those nasty wicks. At the moment, I'm not liking shorts just yet. Like I said, I'm going to wait next 15 seconds for the new 15-minute candle to open on the NQ. But it does look like we want to have a little bit of a retracement here, which would be nice, back into this entire range from this low to this high. So if we mark out where 50% of that is, potentially we could see a retracement into 24,168. So I wouldn't mind shorting into 24,168 and then seeing price pump back up and fill that new week opening gap. But let's see. Yeah. Oh, morning. Hello, Fundamental. Patrick, I am moving to Europe. I'm moving to Greece. Woohoo! Joining you guys on the other side. I'm so excited for not only like the weather and the food and everything, because I did live there for a few months, 2024. So weird. That's actually not last year. That's 2 years ago now. But yeah, I loved it. I just love the life there. Everything is just chill. The beach, the food, the produce, and just being close to Europe. Like, I just want to be able to like get in my car, go for a drive and be in like Spain the next week. For so long, like living in Australia, it's just like you're just so far away from everything and you have to take a 26-hour flight to get to Europe. Like, I'm just over that lifestyle. I just want to be in Europe so I can just, you know what, it's just a weekend and I can be in another country. But yeah, also because Europe's just cool. Everything fun's in Europe. Bar Le Reze says, what are we waiting for to take a short on NQ? I mean, for me, I was interested to take a short after we swept out Asia high, which we have. But at the moment now, I'm waiting for a sweep of the previous 15-minute high. Oh, and he's back. Are we good? Looks better. Oh no, there's still some delay. Oh.
No, that's just because I was sharing my screen.
Wait, Roman.
Just because I was sharing my screen. Yeah, he's on it. Don't worry.
That's funny.
I know what I did wrong though. I literally face palm just now.
What'd you do? No, it's cut out again.
No, just wait. Give it a second.
Okay.
It's fine. It's all good. I know what I did wrong. Okay.
You gonna tell us?
I analyzed it, checked everything. I look at it and I go like, so stupid. I plugged my camera into the like the electricity powered USB slot instead of the normal USB slot. And when you do that, because of the electricity flowing through, it kind of like interrupts the signal. And because of that, you start lagging like shit. The reason why I did that is because I plucked everything out yesterday to play Age of Empires for like 7 hours with my friends. And I plugged it back in the wrong slot. But there we go. Find out what it was. That's cool. Now, we're not laggy anymore. We got the good camera and we're happy. Woo! I like that.
Chicken says so stupid. Chicken, were you playing Age of Empires?
No, I was playing Age of Empires with this boss actually. Not even kidding. Not even kidding.
That's funny. What a cool boss.
All right. Oh, finally found that one out.
Well, you didn't miss out on anything right now. We're still chopping around.
Chicken says, Age of Empires, what a kid. Well, you want me to leak our chat messages?
Oh, damn. Yes, we do. Yes, we do.
Chicken said, I would love to be playing with you guys, but I'm in the Dolomites with my girlfriend because we're celebrating our anniversary. I would love to play.
Oh, Choco. I mean, Chicken. Outed. Exposed, Chicken.
This guy thinks.
I deny. Guys, it's the Chicken's anniversary. Happy anniversary, Chicken. Oh, we got a new for us says, hey Selena and Nick, I'm new to Tradeify. What strategy do you guys trade? Well, welcome. We love having you here. We love having new people in the chat. But I trade like a reversal model using ICT concepts. And Nicholas? I
trade a couple. Main one I'm currently trading is the golden pocket strategy. Then bull flags, bear flags, and T-trades fractal model.
Chicken says, yeah, feel safe you going to Greece until I call my 75 cousins. What the heck? What are they going to do?
I don't know. Patrick.
Your cousins?
Patrick, that's how it should be. You got to be the best F1 pit crew. CPI pit crew.
Wait, I literally just watched the F1 movie on the plane the other day.
I wanted to watch it too. Was it good?
It was good. I don't know why I didn't watch it when it first came out. I thought it was just going to be shit, but the entire time I was hooked on edge until the very end. Plot twist.
Nice. Yeah, don't spoil anything. I still want to watch it.
Yeah, go watch it.
I actually wanted to watch it on the plane back from Mexico, but then I fell asleep at takeoff and I slept for 7.5 hours, which was great.
I love that.
The Joker says, Chicken says, his cousins will unplug your Wi-Fi mid-trade.
Oh, don't you dare. Don't they? I will do something.
I will do something. Now we got a pretty big London range, huh?
Wait, these guys are saying 400 likes hit? Really?
Yeah, we're at 429.
Oh, shit. Let's go.
Looks like somebody bought.
You guys, you can't fool us like that.
Look the way how he types. Please like everyone. Like everyone. Nick, give us a free account. We hit the likes, Nick. Give us the account, Nick. Give us the account, Nick.
Oh, he's about to get banned.
One more time and I'll ban you from the chat. I will do the giveaway, don't worry, but I'll ban you from the chat.
Mm-hmm. Oh, interesting, Leia. Leia said my goal is to trail it and not have a fixed TP because backtesting showed that leaving the trade open until the end of the day was the most profitable. That is what good backtesting can show you. Isn't that so interesting? Like it can actually flip your whole taking profit stop loss system around if you actually look into data. So very interesting.
Purple Tip 33 says you won't. As in I won't ban him from the chat or what?
Oh, well, you haven't. You obviously don't know us.
You're yellow card for you, Purple Tip.
What?
What are we doing here, market?
What are we doing?
What are you doing?
I don't really feel comfortable taking anything right now.
Same. We're still technically in the job. We're trying to break out of it, but
Yeah. I'm not opposed to longing if it does have a nice move to the upside, but technically that wouldn't be the model.
Barry says, all right, my bad. I was getting excited. All good, brother. All good.
Marcus says, I expected this PM to be more exciting. Yeah, but so did I. But then when you think about it, like we did have that huge drop overnight, and then we reclaimed most of that drop from like 9 p.m. all the way. We pretty much dropped 300 points. Now we spiked 300 points, and now we're just sitting around. I don't know if we got any more gas left in the NQ here. Maybe not.
The NQ?
The NQ.
KUM, how to learn my strategy? Just watch the stream. Watch me take trades and explain my trades. I always explain when I take entries, why I take them, where I put my stop, where I put my TP. Always super transparent. So just watch Tradeify TV. G for Geo says practicing patience. Yeah, there's nothing else to do right now.
Yeah, today's one of those days. It's boring.
Boring.
Some days like trading is really like this. Actually just boring. Nothing to do.
Yep. Trading should be like this, to be fair.
Well, yeah, to be fair.
Trading should always be boring.
But the thing is, when you're on stream, sometimes it's like, I don't know about you, Nick, but I feel like I just need to take a trade now.
Yeah,
stream, chat. But I honestly just don't. I don't know. I don't like anything, so I'm just not going to do it. Sorry, chat.
Yeah, I did, like in the past, I took a lot of trades on stream that were just kind of like stream entertainment trades. And that really fucks with your mental. Because then you suddenly start letting that, like you allow that to flow into your normal trading. That's what happened to me. So that's why I'm trading way less than in the past. And I'm only taking my really good setups.
Yeah, it really does. Like it does change. Like I know this is only an hour and a half that I'm on stream. Like you're on stream for way longer, but straight after the stream, I'm still trading, and I'm like, I need like 10 minutes just to lock back in sometimes.
Fair.
Just to focus. But yeah, I'm trying to get better at that.
I'll get used to it. Oh, actually in 2 months. In 2 months, Tradeify TV will be 1 year old. Crazy.
Yeah. Does it feel like, because you've been here from the start, does it feel like a year for you?
It kind of feels like 2 weeks and 5 years at the same time.
Yeah. Makes sense. That's What should we do at 1 year? We should have like a...
Oh, big special stream. Big special stream. We still need to do the 50k subscriber special with Miriam wearing a bald cap.
Oh, that is well overdue. We're also like, I'm going to say we're going to hit 80k this month, chat. What do we think?
Yeah, 80k is realistic this month. 80k is very realistic.
80k? It's only another few thousand.
Yeah, Leah. May 22nd. You know it. Yep. That's what I'm saying, Leah. Leah is saying before the likes jumped to 420, I looked at the like and it was 272. 30 seconds later, boom, 420. Somebody was buying. I know it. I'm still going to fulfill my promise and give you guys a lightning funded, but it's going to be a 25k lightning funded. I wanted to do a 100k one, but not like that.
Wait, the real DC trader, you might be a bit delayed because I think he's talking about Joker when he said he wished we could play Age of Empires, but it was his anniversary.
Oh.
He said dump her and play the game, chicken dude. The real DC Trader, you might want to refresh your stream.
Patrick says, if it was my birthday, would you do 100K? Well, Patrick, is it your birthday?
Baria Lay says, bro, please at least 50K. Bro, how do you even think you have the power to just wish that and we're just going to say yes? You're not in a position to just request that, my friend.
Nope.
Not up to you.
Nope. Patrick says, because there was an error at birth, death, and marriages, and my birthday prints every day of the year. What is actually your birthday, Patrick? Ursula says, any account is better than nothing. That's true.
Mm-hmm. Still a free account.
Momo says, I had my birthday on the 28th of February. Cool. Happy birthday. February 20th, Patrick, and you didn't say anything?
Patrick,
Really?
we're like almost birthday twins.
That's crazy. Speaking of twins, have you ever
What?
Have you ever texted your phone number twin?
No, what's that?
Actually, your phone number neighbor. I did that once, never got a response. So basically, like the last digit of your phone number, right?
Yeah.
Let's go one higher and one lower. Exact same phone number, but the last digit, one higher and one lower. Just text these people and be like, hey, phone number neighbor, what's up?
And you never got a reply though.
I never got a response, yeah. But I mean, somebody might. It would be so funny.
Should I do it now? I don't even know how to
do it.
Text from my Australian number. Let me do it with my Bali number. That would be funny.
Hey, Emma's birthday's tomorrow.
Oh. Woohoo. With this many of us, there probably is a birthday every day in the chat, like just by probabilities, potentially.
Emma is an OG though. I see her a lot. So Emma, make sure to show up to tomorrow's London session. Maybe we got something.
Maybe. I need to show the chat my what I got recently as a belated birthday gift.
That's so
Can you guys see this?
It's fire.
Yeah, this is the coolest thing. So it's like a stock, obviously it's like a stock reader thing where you can like have the stock numbers on loop. So, but the coolest part is you can also upload GIFs and have a GIF running behind the stock, or like you can even put like the date or the time or whatever. It was a gift from my fiance's brother, shout out, who just knows me too well. And basically, I had 9cat on there, which I have to do it again, but
show us.
I'm gonna have it ready for tomorrow.
We need to see 9cat. Why can't you do it now?
Let me see, because you have to do it on this web app thing, and I didn't have it pre-prepared. Let me see. One moment, please. Oh,
Bodhi Rock, hi together. What is the jar called at gold? I'm assuming you mean the ticker, GC. GC, warm regards from Cyprus. Man, Cyprus must be beautiful right now, this time of the year.
Yeah, it would be. But also a little scary, right? Cyprus is like sort of involved in the...
It's very close. It is very close.
I think the US base is there, or the British, I don't know, something.
By the way, Celine, what do we think about Dubai Prop Expo not happening and we still don't meet because you didn't come to Mexico, huh?
I know.
Damn it.
I know, but we spoke about this. It's a good thing I didn't come to Mexico because I would have been in Qatar or Dubai or something scary on the weekend. That's a good point.
But now we still don't get to meet, and that just proves even more that you're AI.
I know, I was so mad. So mad when I read that email saying it was cancelled, because now I don't get to prove that I'm real to you until, I don't know. I might have to just, fly to Switzerland. I'll be in Europe in June, so
Nice.
I might just have to detour.
Do it.
Come to the mountains.
Hell yeah.
I do actually want to do a ski trip. So I think...
Well, that's not going to happen in June, I tell you that.
End of the year.
Mm-hmm. Almost says, okay, I'm done for London. It's only choppy and I hit break even. Yeah, it's the super chop right now.
Mm-hmm.
So we wait.
I mean, at least you took a break even. But it's just ranging.
Is that rangy? Oui.
This
Gosh.
movement sucks. Yeah. Yes, it does.
For reals.
And gold? I'm not checking gold. Oh yeah, gold the same. Why? And you know what? I bet like we end the stream and then it just pumps.
Coral Tank is asking any key level or GP. Right now, I don't see anything. Like on gold, we have one, but it's so much lower. Like gold GP for potential longs would be 5,058 down here. But that's not gonna hit anytime soon. I'm just gonna set an alert actually, 5,058.1 or 0.2. So setting an alert here for potential GP, but outside of that, nothing. A whole bunch of nothing. Markets are super choppy right now. Oil is up 13.6%, and
That is
remember it already pulled back pretty heavily, so it was up like crazy.
Big, yeah. Yeah, look, I am not holding any long-term oil, but I feel like that was the move. That was the play.
Can you let me know really quick, Celine, what's the price of Bitcoin right now? Because you have that cool screen thing.
Oh, wait. You're asking a lot from me. I don't know how to switch it. It just like sits on like a loop thing. I can tell you Tesla right now.
Now tell me what's the price of Bitcoin right now?
Oh, but Nick, no, wait. I need to get the web app. Can you just give me 2 minutes to work this out?
Nah, until then the joke is dead.
Oh, fine. Sorry.
Look it up on TradingView.
Look, Bitcoin. I have Bitcoin. 6.7. 6.7. Whatever. That was so lame. Very lame from you. I expect more.
Pong, you're right. She killed the joke. The momentum was gone at the point where she dropped the price.
I'm very slow sometimes.
I know. You need an update. Celine GPT 3.5.1.
I'm actually still trying to just work out how to do this.
Chat, anybody in a trade? By the way, Meraki's, that joke goes, why 6 afraid of 7?
Because 786 or something like that, isn't it?
Yeah. 789 actually.
789.
Yeah, Patrick, it is choppy. Choppy.
Oh, PDPG Keeper says he's in CL longs. Okay. You should be good. It's just about like where it stops and like how are you trading this right now? I don't know. Just long at any given point and hope for the best.
Close your eyes and long. Shaquille says, Nick still took that NQGP even though you warned about it. Yeah, that's cool. You do you. It's not financial advice what we say here. Just giving you my perspective on things. And if it worked out for you, even better, man. Congrats. Congrats. I love how the low of the day, and therefore also the current year low, if you go to my charts, Roman, is actually to the tick 24,000. That's crazy. Like not 24,000.25 or anything. It's a clean 24K.
It's a little bit sus when it's clean like that.
A little bit sus. I agree. Although it does align with these levels here from November. Those are November lows.
I'm curious whether I want to take a short just to the range low, but I don't know.
I'm gonna just stay out for now. This is way too ugly. Ugly.
Way too ugly? No, that was a mix. Way. I don't know. That was like an Irish-German hybrid.
Yep. Russell, what's up, brother? I saw you so many times this weekend. That's crazy.
Oh, yes. I saw you, Russell, in the YouTube.
There as well, but I saw him in Pokemon Fire Red so many times.
Oh, what? Oh, because he's your enemy. That's funny.
Russell says Nick trades in 720p. It was my video resolution. Oh, you dumbass.
Glad I'm not in a short right now. Damn.
We just gotta be patient. We just gotta be patient. After this session, I'm gonna try this new manual lockout feature in Tradeify.
Are you gonna set a date?
You mean a time?
A time? I mean...
No, I'm probably just gonna go for like an hour and see how it behaves.
Sorry, I'm distracted because I'm trying to get this app thing for it so I can put 9cat on the screen.
Hey, yeah. Abhishek says I was also looking for shorts but no entry. Does it have sound too?
No. That would be cool.
That would be really cool.
I think this should work.
Is there construction going on outside your house?
But you can hear that?
Yeah, I can hear it. But it's very like... It's
Yeah,
just
it's
because
very
we weren't talking. If we're talking, there's no way somebody could hear.
Yeah, they're building something next door. I don't know what. There's always just renovations and works happening in Bali lately. It's really annoying. Oh, what was that, Roman? It won't come through.
No, they won't hear it. But you're moving to Europe anyway, so it doesn't matter.
Yes, that is exciting. I can't wait for that. It's gonna be so good to be in the time zone and everything.
Time zone is goated.
Yeah, it's gonna be good.
Goated.
Because right now it's like I pretty much have half a day, and then I can stream London in the right in the middle of the day. So it's like, what do you do all day until then? And then New York is like just a waiting game. Then I have to wait till 10:30, 11 p.m. And when the hours go back, I think it gets even worse, like 11:30 p.m. It's just stupid.
Yep.
Not fun.
Gold pumping. Just pumped 20 points from VWAP. Beep up. You would have gotten cooked in your shorts here on NQ.
Yep.
We wait and we wait and we wait.
Yes, Marcus, it's cold in Europe, but I have been in the
true.
heat for like a good year, so I
It's
miss.
It's not true though. Like it's fine, actually. Right now it's spring. It's warm. It's sunny. It's nice.
Yeah, it's probably not the worst weather right now.
No, it's
wouldn't-
perfect. Like I love this weather. Like this is by far my favorite.
Like 25 degrees. That's sort of like.
Nah, it's a bit colder still. It's like if you're in the sun, it feels probably like 20. But on Saturday evening, I played tennis for like an hour with my best friend outside in a tank top and shorts, and it was so good. It was great.
Oh, then it must be pretty warm.
Yeah, it was nice.
The thing is here, it's like an unbearable heat. It's like 30 degrees, but there's not much breeze. Unless like you go down to the beach, you get like a bit more of a breeze. But honestly, there's not much relief here. So it's not
Fair.
fun.
Yeah, Andrea, but if it's 10 to 15 Celsius and then the sun is shining, it suddenly feels like 20, 22. So it's nice.
I just realized I was practicing paddle the other week, and now like Dubai's not even going ahead. I played like 2 or 3 games as well.
Damn. Yeah, well, we got to play in Europe. Got to play in Europe.
Yes,
can,
for sure.
I'll bring chicken.
Yes, chicken. You guys should come to Greece. How about that?
Yeah.
And Romina and everyone.
We can do that.
And we'll do a paddle competition. Actually, I don't even know if Greece are ahead like that. Do they even know what paddle is?
They have paddle, yeah.
They do.
Russell says, sounds like a woman. What? Who?
I don't know. Didn't catch that one, Russell. Moving to Greece, Andrea.
Oh, NQ pumping. NQ's
Yeah,
going.
there we go.
You would have gotten cooked in those shorts.
Yep.
Damn.
That's why there is a thing called discretion and knowing when your model is not in the right environment to play out.
Russell says it's because Nick can't read well. Russell, you chose violence again today, huh?
It doesn't even make sense, Russell.
Yeah.
The logical flow is like not there.
First of all, that, and second of all, some days he comes into the chat and is super nice, and then other days he comes in and is like the biggest asshole ever.
I don't know what happened.
I don't know, but just saying, Russell, I can still change my 5-star Google review of your business to a 1-star. Don't you worry. Be nice.
Shaxter had told you longs 15-minute or breakout. My guy, we are just sitting here watching. I'm not like saying the longs couldn't have worked out, but I mean, if you're in these, nice. But me and Nick both said we're just gonna watch. We're gonna wait.
Oh, now it's pumping now. We going.
It is nice.
We are going. I mean, Russell says you would have to dig. I just did. I just went through your channel activity. So your logical flow is this. You come in, you say, see long is the best trade. Then you say, no, the goal is to make money. Lol, Nick trades at 720p. Oh no, it was my video resolution. With intent to stock, Celine, my QQQ put debit spreads one for sure, blah, 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 blah. And then you say, you play some games, huh? Sounds like a woman. No, I'm kidding. We should play some PUBG though. It's because Nick can't read well. I would have. So sorry. Oh my God. Okay, you would have to dig. What? What? Are you
That's
on
just not-
drugs or something?
I know, that just sounds like scatterbrain, Russell. Like, bro, you good?
For real. That's crazy. By the way, for those of you who asked for the real GP before, if you go to a higher time frame, then technically this is the GP from previous week high down to here, 24,884, so 500 points higher.
London has been crazy lately. Not like this. We haven't had like a shitty London session like this for a while, actually. I thought last week wasn't too bad. But breakout looks good. That's the only thing I can really comment on right now. If you're in the breakout trade. Huh?
We're going for that cap fill.
Yeah, I think it's begun. We're so close now.
Come on now, charts. Come on. Do something that we can use.
I know. I'm fine, no FOMO. Maybe if it like pulls back, I might take a long, but
yeah. I mean, it's Monday. There's many days this week. And also Wednesday CPI day, so whatever.
Yeah. So this week is a W regardless of today's price action.
Well, maybe. We'll find out on Wednesday.
Well, it should be.
We will find out.
Abhishek says, but there is no pullback, so we can't enter, right? You can enter whatever you like to trade. I'm just saying I'm like, do not trade breakouts or like markets in this way. How price is moving right now is not the way I like to trade. So yeah, no. I would prefer to wait for a pullback. But this is not a signal service, so you don't need to do as we say or whatever.
Oh, the business lens is back too. Damn. Business lens and Russell in one chat. That's crazy.
Damn. Celine bot. That's all he has to say.
So random. By the way, chat. Giveaway. Gonna give away a 25k Lightning funded account today. So if you want to take part in this giveaway, all you gotta do is you have to like the stream. You have to subscribe to the channel, and I will send you a Google form shortly. Fill out that Google form, but only do it once. If you do it more than once, you will get disqualified. If you ask me where the Google form is, you will also get disqualified. So let's see.
Let's see. Patrick, where is the Yahoo form?
Damn,
Still
it's really pumping. It's really pumping.
Oh yeah, no FOMO here at the moment. Just waiting.
That's going for the gap fill. Actually, what's funny is I know somebody who is long from 310 average, and he's in like 30 NQs right now.
Oh my gosh.
Do
I also know this person?
Nope.
Damn.
That's freaking 50k right now. And if this goes to fill the gap, whew.
Sheesh.
Mm-hmm.
That's kind of crazy.
Should have joined him on that trade.
I know. Is this Brett Nick is talking about?
I want the giggles for
They're trying so hard, you can tell. Just all gone quiet.
No, Pong, he is not done for the year, trust me. Trust me. It's not even done for the day. Damn, now it's really going.
That's crazy. Does he always trade with that size?
Sometimes even more.
Insane.
Yeah, there's levels to this.
Yeah, that's one hell of a level. Jeez. Has he been trading like a long time?
Yeah, like 11, 12 years.
Oh, damn. That makes sense. Insane.
Meraki's, because this is a futures prop firm, Tradeify, and we trade futures. All right. Here's the Google form, everybody. Fun.
You guys didn't ask. I'm actually surprised.
I tried to test you guys to see if some people would start asking, but
they listened. You guys proved.
You behaved. Alien says first. Haha. Well, let's check. Nope.
I love that you call him
not
Alien.
Even close, dude. You're freaking 7th.
I call that guy Alan, but you just call him Alien.
I call him Alien. Let's call him Alien.
Alien. That works.
Let's agree on that. Alien. Come on.
Are we just gonna buy and queue? What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? We're so close to that gap.
Inicio, were you in the top 10? Let's see. Let's see. No, you're 23rd. Yeah, gap fill incoming, it seems like.
Who's riding this long, chat? Did anyone take the breakout? Cheese balls has got to be in this, I'm assuming.
Of course. Leia, were you second today? Yeah, you actually were. How do you know? How do you know?
Oh, nice. Alien took 100 points. Very nice. The business lens in long.
Very nice.
Oh, a few of you.
Remember when I said I should just take a micro long? That was at 326.
You should have.
No, I should not.
Not good enough.
Actually, I should not have, because that's not my setup. But it makes you feel smart after the fact.
Hindsight trading.
For real. All right, let's paste everybody over to the good old wheel of names. And then let's see who wins a 25K Lightning funded account. 25K Lightning funded is, that means you don't have to pass an eval, nothing. You're already funded. Right there. All right, we ready? Chat?
Good luck.
Good luck, everybody. 25K Lightning funded account goes to Rumanga 15U. Type something in the chat. Congrats, you just won a 25K Lightning funded.
No evaluation. That's a really big win.
Yep.
Are we doubling or nothing?
We can. But if this person first needs to claim. Romanga, once you claim, oh, there he or she is, says, yo, I'm here, thanks. Do you want to play a game of double or nothing, where you potentially walk away with 2 25K Lightning funded accounts, or potentially nothing? You can let me know how many fields you want. You can say 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 50, 100. He says yes, okay.
Oh, yeah.
How many fields do you want? Double or nothing fields. You can do 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20.
But you have to understand, nothing really means nothing. We're not going to be soft about it. You're either going to double or you're literally going to have nothing. So think.
I don't want to choose. You can choose for me. All right, Celine, you choose, because I'm going to spin the wheels. Otherwise, it will say it's rigged.
Okay, I'm going to say 6.
6. All right, here we go. We're ready? Let's spin it. Rumanga wins either 0 or 2. Rumanga wins 2 25K Lightning funded accounts. Let's fucking go.
Let's go.
Big W. Very nice.
Very nice. I think that helps, because Friday the poor guy almost lost everything with us. So there you go, chat. Double or nothing actually does sometimes play out for your side.
Actually, it plays out a lot. It's just recently that it hasn't really.
Big W, Ramino.
Yeah.
Ramina.
Romanga.
Rominga.
Romina is my fiance. What the hell?
Oh yeah. Rominga.
Nice.
How do I claim it? Just pop your email address in your YouTube channel description, and we will get that account to you within the week.
Yeah, not a random email address though. The email address that you use to log into your Tradeify dashboard. That's the one. Only that works because the giveaway code will be attached to your email. What does Patrick say?
Patrick says some might say he plays out 50% of the time. Lol. Sounds about right.
Nice. Speaking of W's, chat, put a W in the chat if you love this stream. Put an L in the chat if you absolutely hated every single aspect of it. Reminder, the US has switched their time already, and Europe won't until the 29th of March, so in 20 days. So from now until then, the New York streams are an hour earlier for you Europe people, okay? So if you're used to, let's say, I don't know, if you're in the UK and you're used to a 2:30 p.m. New York Open, from now it's going to be a 1:30 p.m. New York Open until the 29th of March. For all of you in Switzerland, it is now at 2:30 p.m. instead of 3:30 p.m. But I'll see you there at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time, as I just said, for a New York stream. And then, of course, tomorrow for another London session stream at the normal, usual London, 8 a.m. UK time. Now, Celine. Anything you want to say to the chats? To the chatsies?
Chatsies, you know what? It was a bit boring today for London session, but that's all good. Don't force any trades if it's not your setup. Like, this was a clear example of what trading can really look like some days. Like, it can be hella boring when you don't get a setup, and there's no point just forcing something. Like, for example, yes, there was a breakout here, but it's not the way me and Nick like to trade, so hence you didn't see us enter a trade. But not to say New York won't be a killer session today and we're not going to take a trade, so make sure, like Nick said, you tune in. I will also be trading the rest of the London session and New York session, so if I get into any trades, I will of course post that online. But make sure you guys are sticking to the strategy. If the volume is there, but if your system's not there, do not force trades today. That's what I'll say.
Correct. I agree.
But other than that, I will be with you guys tomorrow for the London session.
Hell yeah. Have a great day. See you later. Peace out.